Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Friday video since we introduced those new spring colors to you on Tuesday. This week I'm going to be doing this Dreamcatcher nail using some of the new colors, some Mission Control, and some ButterCreams. So to start off, I've taken the new spring green Jump Up in Jade and just done 2 coats of that, giving it a quick cure in between. And then I'm also going to take the new spring color Tiny Diamond and put 2 coats over top of my green. I just found it muted it a little bit, and I love a little bit of glitter. Then I'm going to take my flat mat, and I'm doing this for 2 reasons. One, I do want a matte background because I'm going to do my Dreamcatcher so that it cures shiny. And 2, just for a smooth surface. So if you did want a shiny background, you could definitely use a different top coat that has shine to it if you'd like. So for the Dreamcatcher, I'm going to start out with the Mission Control Overdrive, which is the black. And I'm going to use my swirly brush, and I'm going to start out just doing a half circle up by the cuticle, and then using my cleanup brush just to make that line a little bit more perfect. Then I'm going to take my Stripy brush and just make 3 uneven lines down the nail. Now you could add more or less, whatever you want to have your Dreamcatcher look like. Then still with my Stripy brush, I'm going to draw kind of like a flower shape almost in the top of the Dreamcatcher. And that's like the strings that go through the top of the Dreamcatcher. So for this, it's just using a light pressure, just a little bit of paint on my brush, and making kind of like almond shapes around the whole inner part of my half circle. You could cure in between each shape that you make if you're not confident, but you can also just do the entire middle part without curing if you like. Then I'm going to come in and do my feathers, and I'm going to do this using my shorty brush. And all I'm doing is taking just a little bit of this black gel paint on my brush and making just short, quick lines. And I want them to kind of be wispy at the end, so I'm using a little bit more pressure when I'm close to my black line and feathering up, and using less pressure as I'm pulling away, and that'll give you more of a feather look. And then just doing the same thing on the other side here.
Take a step back.
And then I'm just going to come in here with my number 3 bling stylus from Elegance and add in a few dots, which would be like beads on the string, and add any where you see fit. You could also start your feathers down a little lower if you wanted beads on top. It's really customizable this way. And for my beads, I am using the Overdrive Justice ButterCream and the Silver Metallic ButterCream. And then once you're happy and you've added all the little details that you want, you can go ahead and give that a full cure. I am just going to give it a quick little wipe at the end because of the ButterCreams that I'm using, but the Mission Control does dry or cure tack free. And then that's it. So that is how I do my Dreamcatcher nails. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and share this video. And you can also follow us on Facebook and like us on Instagram.